Hey, what's up, everybody? We're going to do a quick, I guess it's a snack, dessert, whatever you want to call it. Um, it's probably something that you can make with the kids. Um, yeah, I'm talking Rice Krispy treats. I'm going to follow the recipe on the box with the exception of I'm going to add about a teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. But what you'll need is you'll need 6 cups of Rice Krispies. You're gonna need some spraying oil or butter, because you're gonna need I don't know if you can see this, but it's a 9 by 13 by 2 baking dish. We're gonna coat that so it comes out easy. You're going to need a 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, and you're going to need about 3 tablespoons of butter and a pot. So let's get to it. All right, we'll start by melting the butter. Okay, while the butter melts, I'm going to spray down the dish. I'm going to spray down my spatula so it doesn't stick. Okay, to that melted butter, we're going to add the marshmallows. We're going to melt these slowly, and then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla. Looks like it might be there. Now, I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. I'm going to add there we go. Turn the heat off. We're just going to work with that residual heat now. Okay. Now we're going to pour it into the dish. I'm going to spread it out, but I want to spray down my spatula again. And I think that's it. Now we're just going to let that cool. Alright, so this is all set up. And that's all you got to do is cut it. Alright, so that's it. It's real easy. And if you've never had a Rice Krispie treat, you've been sheltered. All right, so that's it. Bye for now.